5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! Five laps, and Mason Olson takes the lead. Olson leads, Anthony second, and Aaron Weatherhead third. Three laps to go for Mason Olson. Two laps left for Mason Olson as the 42 is going in reverse. One lap left for Mason Olson in the 67. Through 3 and 4, one final time, it's the 6-7 of Mason Olson. Second place will go to Anthony Wagner. Third to Aaron Weatherhead. That was the Autocross feature. Teamwork makes the dream work.